put it in his hand and
Oh, I
show
thought,
him.
okay. Look at this, look at this. Isn't that a pretty? Uh-oh, I don't know.
I think that's okay.
Everything goes in your mouth, I guess.
It'll get bigger if it's in his
Well,
mouth.
yeah, as soon as he drops it in the water, it's gonna start expanding. Where'd you go? There it is. Oh, it's turning already. Woo! It's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Oh.
A lot of water.
Now he's sucking on
I
it.
think it's a hit. I think it's a hit.
He's laughing as he coughs.
Oh, we should put something sweet on there. Okay, now watch it get bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah, now it's huge. It's big enough.
Maybe he'll do the same thing. Bring out some of the water. He puts it in the water because he knows it can absorb a lot of it. He likes to have the water in his mouth. Smart kiddo.
You little sweetheart. You're a little sweetheart. That good? That good? That good? Okay, you're through with that, right? No, not yet.
That was a good idea for him. He loves this.
It's getting big. It's getting bigger, and he can't handle it. There it goes. Big, big.